Baha, a dream of every automotive and mechanical engineering student. A Baha Essay Series is an event for the undergraduate engineering students organized globally by the Society of Automotive Engineers USA. The event originated in the name of Mini Baha in the year 1976 at the University of Carolina. Since then, the event has spanned across 6 countries: USA, Mexico, South Africa, Korea, Brazil, and India. The Baha essay tasks the student to fabricate, design, and validate a single-seater four-wheeled off-road vehicle to take part in a series of events spread over a course of 3 days that tested the vehicle for the sound engineering practices and that have gone into it. The agility of the vehicle in terms of gradability, speed, acceleration, monovariability characteristics, and have finally its ability to endure that back-breaking durability test. Today, we are at NBN Singer College, Engineering, Solapur to meet the students who have achieved their goals. Team Swaraj Motorsports, formed in March 2018, is a dedicated team of automobile enthusiasts primarily devoted to designing, developing, and racing an all-terrain vehicle (ATV). The team comprises 50 students from mechanical background and united by a common ambition of achieving greater heights in pursuit of excellence and learning by building the best car on racetrack. Mega ATV Championship was not amateur by any means. NBN Singer College firstly appeared for such a large-scale national level, which include design, manufacturing, technical inspection, and on-road test of ATV. The ATV cost to build was around 5 lakhs, and the overall trip stretched the team budget to 7 lakhs. The student invested a month in preparation of event, after which they commenced grueling trial session to test the ATV's durability. The final event included an endurance test which includes the continuous driving of ATV on 10-kilometer track for 4 hours at night time. This team completed 11 laps of track even though the ATV broke down for almost 45 minutes. During the competition, ATV has to be driven off obstacle of around 5 feet height and high slope climb. So to practice a race off road track was created behind the mechanical department building.
सिंहगडमध्ये प्रोजेक्ट बेस्ड लर्निंग कॉन्सेप्टवरती इंडस्ट्री रेडियर इंजिनियर्स तयार केले जातात. म्हणजे बाकीच्या कॉलेजमध्ये फक्त थिओरिटिकल नॉलेज दिलं जातं, आमच्याकडे प्रॅक्टिकल बेस्ड नॉलेज दिल्यामुळे मुलं इंडस्ट्री रेडी असतात. त्यात हा प्रोजेक्ट चालू करत असताना सेकंड इयरलाच आम्हाला दुर्ग आणि त्याची मुलांची टीम स्वतः येऊन भेटली आणि त्यांनी सांगितलं की आम्हाला हा प्रोजेक्ट करायचा आहे. मग त्याच्या अनुषंगाने मुलांनी इनिशिएटिव्ह घेऊन SAE क्लब स्थापन केला. त्याच्या अंतर्गत त्यांनी त्यावेळेला सुरुवातीला कॉम्पिटिशनमध्ये व्हर्च्युअल राऊंडसाठी गेले होते. फायनल राऊंडला गेल्यानंतर त्यांनी थोडक्यात त्यांचं कॉम्पिटिशनमधला नंबर गेला, पण ते माझ्यामते 14वा नंबर त्यांचा आला. त्यांनी क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ वर्क म्हणजे थर्ड इयरमध्ये असल्यापासूनच केलं. म्हणजे 5 वेगवेगळे ग्रुप्स केले, डिसेंट्रलायझेशन ऑफ ॲक्टिव्हिटीज केल्या. म्हणजे रोल केज एक जण करेल, ट्रान्समिशन एक जण करेल, स्टिअरिंग एक जण करेल, सस्पेन्शन एक जण करेल. त्याच्यामुळे कामाची विभागणी व्यवस्थित झाली आणि त्यांना ह्यातनं नुसतं एक गाडी तयार झाली असं नाही आहे. एक टीममध्ये काम करायचं, इकॉनॉमिक्स सांभाळायचं, स्पॉन्सरशिप मिळवायची, या सगळ्यातनं त्यांनी म्हणजे बऱ्याच गोष्टी शिकल्या. म्हणजे फक्त टेक्नॉलॉजी शिकलेल्या नाही आहेत, तर बाकीच्या गोष्टी पण ज्या आपल्याला समाजामध्ये लागतात त्या पण गोष्टी त्यांनी शिकलेल्या आहेत. आणि त्याच्यामुळे त्यांच्यामध्ये एक सर्वांगीण विकास झालेला आहे, जो त्यांना भावी आयुष्यामध्ये उपयोगी ठरेल. तर त्यासाठी मी त्यांना भविष्याच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा देतो.
College has established a Swarajya Motorsport team, which is basically automotive club of the mechanical engineering students. We have participated in the various events related to the automotive industries or automotive competitions. Firstly, we have participated in the SAE Baha, and we successfully presented the presentation for the virtual rounds at the Chandigarh, and after that we couldn't succeed or we couldn't get through the virtuals. So from learning from the mistakes, we decided to appear for the Mega TV Championships at the Goa, where we stood 16th all over the competition, and we performed well in the endurance test as well as the Armageddon test, and hopefully we will be participating in the next year events for the RCTC event, which is going to be held at the Rajasthan, and I hope we will get the first place this time.
Hello everyone, this is Ravikant Mahadev Durg, captain and rider of Team Swaraj Motorsports. The Team Swaraj Motorsports was founded in March of 2018 when we were studying in the second year. And when we found the team, there is one of the biggest challenge in front of us, that is to found the SA India Club, Society of Automotive Engineers. That is the very first club we are going to found in our college. And during that we faced a lot of problems, because no one knows about the benefits of SA Club and the benefits of alternate vehicle championships. So this is one of the biggest challenge in front of us, to build an Society of Automotive Engineers Club. And finally we did it. It cost near about 65,000 rupees, and under the SA India Club we have a visit to the ARI, which is the Automotive Research Association of India, which is the biggest research association for the mechanical student, or we can say the biggest association for the research in automotive techniques. And when we completed our secondary exams, we started to work on the theoretical calculations. Then there is another biggest challenge in front of us, to get registered for the Baha event, which was going to happen in March of 2019. And when we were started to do theoretical calculations, we don't know about the calculations, because this team is totally new, and we don't have any experience, because there is no such a team in front of us to tell their views, or you can say tell their experience. So totally new team, which has no any experience. And finally we did not lose our hope. We know that we are new in this alternate vehicle championship, but we have that hope, and we have that ability to make possible everything. And finally we make an PPT, we make a presentation, which is going to be presented in the virtuals of Baha. And unfortunately we did not clear the virtuals of Baha, but we know that failure is the first step of success. And so that we decided to start our journey, new journey start. And when we get registered for the Mega Duo Championship, the journey starts from the Mega Duo Championship. There are totally 27 members in my team, and there are totally five main groups, which is steering system and braking system and roll cage system, and another one is a transmission system and suspension system. And each system having a near about 4 to 5 members, and each system led by the one head and one co-head. And the members including in that team are skilled members. Actually they are skilled members, everyone having a skill in as like in design, or like in fabrication. So totally teamwork we need, and for that dedication is also need. And due to the dedication, due to the teamwork, due to the our aim, we got success. And when we went to the Mega Duo Championship, which was held in Goa, this is the very first championship for all of us, because we don't know about any championship, because this is the very first team. And finally we got all India rank 16th, and overall and endurance rank as a 14th, and including the near about 40 to 50 minutes breakdown. And this is a very huge success for all of us, because being as a new team, and achieving this type of success is a very valuable things for all of us. And finally I would like to thank you to our every team member for supporting me and achieving this success. And and also I would like to thank our guide Mr. Professor Jagtap sir and Professor Shinde sir for supporting us. Also I would like to give thank you to whole Sinhagad for making our team to feel proud for being in a Sinhagad. Thank you.
Hello, this is Ankit Varpe, Vice Captain of Team Swarajya Motorsport and Head of the Suspension Department. Basically, I am here for give overview of about suspension department. We started working on our calculations in the month of June 2018 after completing our second year. In this calculation period, we calculated many values like CG height, ground clearance. Basically, our ground clearance is about 13 inches, CG height is about 22 inches. Also, we decided our suspension type, absorber type. Then also we decided which type of arms we should use at the front side and which types of arm we should use at the rear side. After deciding these arms, we then calculated motion ratio and rebound and jumps values. After calculating this, we made one presentation and present it in the virtuals at main Baha. But after unfortunate failure occurred in that Baha, we didn't lose our hope. Then we participated for a Mega 2 championship, and in that Mega 2 championship, we started doing actual production of our vehicle. After completing our roll cage production by using trial and error method, we made one setup, and by using that setup and trial and error method, we calculated actual lengths of our arms, and we manufactured these arms by using CO2 welding and other things which we were provided by our college. After completing this production of arms and their accessories, hard points of suspension, and our testing phase started. During the testing phase, we faced the problems of ball joint breakage and that arm breakage, but we did some changes in that ball joints, and we solved that problem, and then we participated for the Mega 2 championship, where we completed all the races except that Armageddon race. In that race, breakdown of our ball joints occur, and due to that breakdown, we are unable to complete that race. But we learned from that mistakes, and now we are changing this in doing changes in our vehicle. And for the upcoming events, our lineup is that we are going to change. We are going to work on our arms, and also we are going to work on Lotus software, which is about suspension calculations and other things. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon. I am Sagar Bhosle, the sponsorship head of our team Swarajya Motorsports, and I would like to say that being a sponsorship head was the most difficult task I think in the whole team, because you need to convince some people who are in the corporate lines to sponsor us, but most of them are like, because they do not have any marketing value of our vehicle, or they do not have any technical experience with them, so that they do not support us. So what actually happened while getting sponsors was, people used to ask me like, what is our benefit if we give you sponsorship. So it was very difficult to make them believe in me or believe in my team. So that is what happened while dealing with the sponsorship. And I'm very happy to say, and I'm proud that I have bought almost 2,10,000 rupees sponsorship in the 2 years, and it started from Irshad. Irshad is a company situated at Asra in Solapur. It actually helped us in manufacturing of the roll cage. It did not provide us money, but it provided us man and material, and along with some equipments. And then secondly, we struggled with the sponsors. Firstly, we could not have big sponsors, we started from 5,000, and after starting from 5,000 we went to 10,000, and now latest Mr. Yatin Shah, the CMD of Precision Camshafts, has given us 1 lakh rupees sponsorship, because he was very impressed by my team and my vehicle. And I'm very happy to say that Mr. Yatin Shah, the leading entrepreneur of our India, who has got his factories in abroad as well, talking to such an entrepreneur gives me and my team some experience that we cannot even get while developing or manufacturing the vehicle. And it was a very wonderful experience and journey working with my team, and thank you so much.
Hi, I am Paritosh Ambaldage, head of the roll cage department and as well as treasurer of Team Swarajya Motorsport. While forming team, Ravikant Durg was assigning all the work to the team members. But the roll cage is the most difficult part of this vehicle, and he assigned that work to me. me and my team had no idea about the design procedure and what parameters required for the roll cage. We faced many problems while designing the roll cage. When we designed the roll cage for the first time, it was bit bulky and weight is also more compared to the chassis we have built now. We faced a problem for the welding required for roll cage chassis. There is industry called Irshad Industry who helped us to build this chassis, and with the help of our staff and sir, we did analysis on this chassis so that we could know the chassis is safe or not for the driver while riding the vehicle. And as treasurer, I also had to maintain economical balance of the team. We got many sponsors, but each and every team member cooperated with us in all financial parameters. I would like to thank Ravikant Durg to giving me this golden opportunity, and I am proud that I am a member of this team. Thank you.
Hi, I am Abhijit Deshmukh from a mechanical department of a Singhgad Institute, Solapur. I am a member of a team Swarajya, also member of a transmission system. I am a co-head of a transmission system. Especially while working on the vehicles, I evenly don't know what is the theoretical and what is the practical knowledge behind the vehicles. While working the vehicles, I got the many information about the vehicles. During this the journey is very difficult and very challengeable to the team members, also to the team members and for me. This journey helps me to develop many aspects like communication, leadership, interaction with a different person. I am very thankful to the all team members and especially the head of the system, Ravi Durga, for showing me the great future. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Amruta Haridas, the co-head of the steering department. As we know, steering system is the most important system for any vehicle, and it is interface between driver and vehicle. The main function of the steering system is to provide the maximum direction control to any vehicle. In this project, we designed and manufactured the steering mechanism and for the ATV, and which is competed in last Mega ATV Championship, in which we use the rack and pinion steering mechanism, which is simple and compact in nature. Also, we use the Ackermann steering system, which gives the sharp turning radius and it reduces the steering effort. Also, for upcoming event, our vision is to design the efficient vehicle for our next event. Thank you so much.
Hello, I am Suraj Kumar. I am the production head and purchase head of the team. Currently, we are working with the optimization of weight of the vehicle. Not just optimizing the vehicle and weight, we are also trying to design the optimum parts of the or the components of the vehicle. Like we are designing right now, we are designing with the A and H arm, front A and H arm to reduce the weight. We are planned to change the rear wheels and also the gearbox with new and optimized calculations. We have changed the ratio from 13:4 to some other ratios. We are with this reduction, we can also get good speed and good torque with new gears. We have after not just the optimization of weight, but like other my partners or other colleagues said about participating and winning in next events, we have a strong determination about that. Strong after participation in last events, we got to know about the demerits or some limitations of our vehicles. So we have worked on it and we are planning to participate in next two events. That is RCDC, which is to be held in Thar deserts of Rajasthan. Not just that, we are also planning to participate in Mega ATV Championship, which is to be held at Goa, as we participated last year. Being in this team, I didn't just came into interaction with these team members, but also with various teams. Like we went to DIMS Aurangabad, where we came to know about the how optimization of the other components and the chassis or the roll cage or other components can be done. Not just that, and we also came into interaction with market conditions, like what components are available in market, how the market situations change day by day, how the prices differ. With these we came to different conclusions. Like we were planning to assemble the Piaggio calipers. Now we have Bajaj calipers in our vehicle. way of being in purchase department or handling the purchase department, not just making the components which are available in market or currently available in market. We also went for customization of the parts, and we have got a lot of experience from this. Like one of the experiences I would like to share here, like we went to Pune on bike within night to get the hub, broken hub of the vehicle, and these kind of experiences made us better to coordinate with the team and to be as a team player, or to handle the team, or to work and coordinate with the other co-heads or heads. Thank you Swarajya for making me capable of these kind of opportunities, and I am a proud member of Swarajya Motorsports.
Hello everyone, I am Shubham Rajesh Chitoe, head of transmission department of our vehicle. I am working. The main function of transmission department is to transfer the power from engine to the road wheels. There are four main parts of our transmission system. These are engine, CVT, gearbox, and live axle. According to our rule book, we have selected our engine as Breeze and Starter 305cc petrol engine. There are different types of CVT, but we have, according to our requirement, we have selected CVT Tech as our CVT. The maximum ratio of CVT is 0.43 and minimum ratio is 3. The one of the important part of our transmission system is gearbox. We have started our gearbox calculation from the second year vacations. We have calculated. We have made the more than 10 iterations for our calculations. Theoretically, we have decided the different value, that is the reduction ratio is 12.4, but 13.4, but practically that was not possible. So we have decided our reduction ratio as 13.4. Recently, we have participated in Mega ATV Championship. There we observed our gearbox and gearbox performance. So we have decided to modify it. So in next event we are going to modify our gearbox, and so I will thanks to our teams for supporting me, and thank you.
Hello, myself Shubham Nilkan Chhatri. I'm a member of Team Swarajya Motor. Back in the day, I was unaware of the ATV Championship. I did not see myself here. So all that I want to say is that this project is taught me a lot. In this 2 year, I have been SI Baha Collegiate Club member head. I'm a part of transmission department. I thank to my team members and staff believing in me. Proud to say I'm a part of Team Swaraj. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Khadir Sheikh. It's an honor for me to work as a production head in this team with the help of captain and team members. We built this ATV vehicle in 1 month. At the time of making this vehicle, we have faced lots of problems. The biggest challenge was implement the design made by the design members, which was the most difficult problems we have faced. We have faced lots of problems at the time of manufacturing as well as the testing phase. Working as a production head, I have learned lots of many things. How to manage the production within the given time, so that the task is given by the captains and various heads of departments must be given within the times. So I would like to thank all my team members which supporting to me and giving this opportunity, and thank you.
A dream doesn't become reality through a magic. It requires hard work, sweat and determination. Hello everyone, I am co-head of a brake department. Today I am giving short introduction of our brake system. We know that the brakes are very important for a controlling purpose. So we started our calculations in last year 2018, and we discussed that we came across various difficulties like which brakes are used, which are more efficient, and after that we conclude that we are using a hydraulic brake system in our vehicle with a single master cylinder, and also we design and manufacture the disc, hub and knuckle for required for a brake system, and then we crack in a first attempt we cracked the brake test in a Mega ITV Championship, which is held in 2019 and organized by the Autosport India. Now we are looking forward to achieve more success and to get to beat upcoming events. Thank you.
I am Venkatesh Morir, head of steering system and also treasurer of our team. While forming the team, we was faced many problems, but all the problems we have tackled and formed the team Swarajya Motorsports. As working as a steering head, we are built up. I am built up many qualities such as leadership quality and teamwork. Thank you.
Hello, I am Swati Kamble, working in the transmission department. First of all, I want to thank all of our supportive staff, project guide, HOD and our principal sir to motivating and supporting us time to time. At the beginning, everyone used to say that you are a girl, what work will you do in your project? But we proved them wrong and we have done it in front of everyone. Some people think in a manner that girls can't do such a things. We proved them wrong and now they are proud of us. I want to thank all of our team members to believing in us, and it was a very great experience for us, and we are just 3 girls in a team of 27 and I am proud of that we didn't give up.
I am Rohan Shinde, team member of Swarajya Motorsports, and I am here to express my experience. When we started this project, I don't know about anything about vehicle, but little bit now I know in automobile industry, and I am here to say Mr. Ravikant Durga of our team captain. Thank you for giving me this opportunity